So, ang floor director dito, ang executive director po dito, si Kernel Padilla, it happened within his premises. He is the man in charge. I do not believe that there was no order coming from him. At saka sinasabi po niya ngayon, gumagalaw sila. Gagalaw ba yung dalawang PDL doon sa loob ng kulungan na walang pahintulot ng warden? Gagalaw ba yung sinasabi yung ship commander ng order na walang pahintulot po sa inyo? That is why, Mr. Chair, marami pa ho dito mga inconsistencies. But I know that there are many, isa pa lang yan na sinasabi ng mga inconsistencies. But based on my interpretations and based on the appreciation of the affidavits, I have found out, or I have concluded, Mr. Chair, that the affidavit of Colonel Padilla corroborates with the affidavit of Mr. Leopoldo Tan with regards to the Chinese nationals. I also conclude, Mr. Chair, that his testimony corroborates with the affidavit of Jimmy Fortaleza. Inamin na ho niya na nakausap niya si Karma dahil si Jimmy Fortaleza. However, I believe that Colonel Padilla is holding more information vital to this hearing. Hanggang doon po lang kayo, yung affidavit po ninyo, Mr. Chair, hanggang doon lang po kayo kay Karma. Pero sa salaysay ni Leopoldo Tan, nandoon po kayo. Una, binanggit po kayo, kung kinontak na kayo ng Colonel Karma, sabi niyo po, nakikita kayo. And I believe, Leopoldo Tan, bakit po? Pinalabas po ninyo yung dalawang PDL, hindi pinalabas na doon lang sa may gate, para makausap po si Arnold Soles at saka si Colonel Karma. And then, nung nangyari pong insidente, pumunta po kayo, inamin ho ninyo din yun, sa affidavit po ninyo, Mr. Chair. Pagkatapos ng nangyaring insidente, pumunta po kayo sa Zelda Size at tinignan nyo yung namatay ng mga Chinese nationals. Lahat po sa buong salaysay, kayo po ang binabanggit ng dalawang PDLs. Mahirap po mangyari isang ganitong umang-dumang na krimen na kayo po ang chance ng kapito na wala kayong alam-alam. Imposible po mangyari yun. I have been in the government service for the past 25 years. And all chief executive, kaya ibig ko na lang ikaw, isa kang chief executive ng warden. The fact is not there. All decisions